Yes, my friends, I'm in Scarborough. This weekend there's a Scarborough Extreme event on. All sorts of extreme sports. Surfing, BMXing, rollerblading, all sorts going on. We'll go to the skate park and see them all in action there on the skateboards and see all the tricks. Let's go and have a look. This is Scarborough's North Bay Beach. Can't tell what the weather's going to do today yet. 1 minute it's sunny, next minute it's cloudy. It's alright for now. So let's go and have a look along the seafront. Let's see what kind of activities are going on. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking to step out of your comfort zone, Scarborough Extreme has something for everyone, featuring surfing, skateboarding, cycling, music, workshops and much more. North Bay will play host to a selection of activities and engaging sessions, including cycle coaching, balance bikes, roller skating, have-a-go surf lessons, paddling, rowing, motorbike relays from Oliver's Mount Racing, martial arts demos. Free drop-in yoga classes are going to be available during the day. Several of the sport's national governing bodies will be in attendance to provide more information on how you can get involved with extreme activities as a hobby. North York Moors National Park will be on hand to offer free guided walks of the area. Dissent Skate Shop and East Coast Skate Academy will be running a skate jam at Hairy Bob's Skate Park on the North Bay. Scarborough Boardriders will be holding a junior surf contest at Cayton Bay. Street Rocks will be open from 1 till 4 for free rock climbing sessions, as well as free yoga classes, zumba and tai chi.
How much commitment is needed to do what they're trying to do. It takes a lot of dedication, a lot of skill, a lot of broken ankles. Remember guys, for you younger ones, we're looking out for the under 15s, for the under 11s. We're looking out for if you guys have got some skills, because we can get you a wild card ticket to skateboarding GBs.
Because MCs have used up extended warranties, while real MCs and DJs are a minority. Right about now I use my authority, because I'm like the wizard and you look lost like Dorothy.
Cheeky. Dude in the yellow helmet. Yeah, you. Yeah. Keep trying that. You are so close. So close. If you land that, there might be a new deck for you. Well, that bit, you only just skidded out on that. Look, again, commitment, right, wall ride. Close. I'm going to show some of these are about 5 tricks in one. What are you even trying up there? Within my reach, I'm feeling it's often easier for one to give advice than it is for a person.
Commentating, you illustrating all the beautiful things.
If only you had shoelaces.
I don't like the force. If you
Do you want me to teach you? I'll teach you. Yeah. Right. Shove it, lady. Impressive shove it. Come across for a prize, please.
Do you like this?
Yeah.
And also some nice line over the pyramid before. Nice bit of smooth.
Talking to a player who's already played, can soon leave the boredom in your feelings, just may fade. Never be intrigued by the young boy face. Look inside me. See, I got wild taste. I don't
Whoa.
really know, but somebody
Make it look easy, some of these. All sorts of crazy tricks and stunts. Got no fear, have they?
I leave it up to you.
Whoa! Right, guys, remember you little ones? We've got a wild card entry into the Skateboard GB's Survival of the Sickest competition for you. So, you guys under 15 and some guys under 11, if you impress us enough, we'll be getting your details, we'll be getting your wild card entry into Skateboard GB competition. Right, where are we going at the top of the rolling? Nice! Yeah, next one, top of the rolling. Across the jump box. Oh, so close, so close. We can get that next time.
Looks like he's having fun on jet ski. Well, I've worked up an appetite after watching all that extreme sports, so we're going to go to this saltwater cafe and bar. Does food and drink, so see what kind of food there is in here. Got nice sea views, so check it out. All sorts of menu, light bites, burgers, pizza, parmos. I think I want to go for a chicken parmo. Jacket potatoes, kids meals, good selection of drinks, cocktails, wine, breakfast, there's all sorts, so whatever you fancy you can get from here. There's a chicken parmo, comes with chips and salad, a bit of coleslaw. Looks nice, let's try it. Nice bit of chicken, nice and juicy.